We're just gonna film a little bit of this Bragança street. This is Bragança right there. It's kind of a part of the street that I don't usually film, because usually when I'm in Bragança, I usually end up focusing on this blue building right here, the Skyway right here, and it goes all the way down to School of Nations, and then it goes up to a mountain called Taipa Grande, or Pequeño, Taipa Pequeño, small mountain. But it's a nice, they got nice trails up there, and it's kind of a nice space. But seldom do I come down this side of Bragança, so today we're gonna do that. Our street sign is over there, and we're just gonna walk on down and kind of see what we can see. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So Bragança, so if you want to see the other parts of Bragança, I always film this blue building and I film in that direction, and so I'll put them in the thumbnails at the bottom and you can see some of those. Down that way is the stadium. There's a stadium center down that way. I filmed that one as well quite a few times, stadium and Olympia. So we're gonna walk down here, and down that way there's actually a Jollibee's down that way right there. We're gonna be walking down this way into all these tall buildings. And kind of interesting stuff on these corners as well. And yeah, to check out all the tall buildings like that, it's amazing. And over there you can see a restaurant called Hongdae. It's closed right now, but there's a Korean restaurant. There's another one down there called Hot Pot. So we're gonna walk by those. Yeah, this Korean restaurant, there's like different stuff that was in here in the past. Some like Southeast Asian stuff, so you could come in here and I'll look out into the windows from those restaurants. And you can kind of do it down that way as well. Lax Cafe is coming up to the left. That's really popular with foreigners. So this is a Lax Cafe right here, and they got a lot of artwork and such in this particular space. Let's kind of take a look at the menu real quick. So Lax Cafe, oh, this is Australian style since 2012. So you got a mix of like pizza, all day breakfast, so you can get breakfast here, burgers, risotto. Hello. And they got kind of a nice place to sit as well, stuff like that. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Got a little butchery right in here. You can get some fresh meats. So we're gonna continue walking down. Let's just kind of get across real quick. And we're gonna go up at the top here. And we can look at everything from up here. So I don't know what this is about. There's a bunch of people coming off this bus. I guess it's a school bus, so let's see what else is up here. I think this might be a new restaurant. So yeah, these businesses are eyelashes. This is dogs. I did see quite a few dogs a little while ago, so I guess this is a veterinarian. Lemon tea. It's kind of cool. This one has very spicy foods. Tabao shop, most likely. It says salon. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down our Target Street a little bit. And yeah, this is all part of Bragança. This one has like a interesting setup. I never walk to this particular spot. That's all part of Bragança as well. And then we got another school right here. We got another little walkway thing we can go up. So let's see that. Used to be a bar up here. I think it's closed now. We'll see in a minute. Check out these wines. This is the wine shop right there. We're coming up to the end. There used to be a bar right here, so that was the entrance. Now we're just gonna come out and take a look at the what we got here. So it's Bragança right there, the street. And that's basically where we're just at, Bragança Street. Yeah, I think this closed down. I don't know the whole story behind it. But yeah, this is a bar, so we got a lock on it. Pandemic prevention stuff is still there. And over here you can overlook some of the casinos down there. That's Galaxy Casino in the distance. There's also like stadium stuff. Overpass to get over the street. Yeah, this bar also had like stained glass windows, which is kind of interesting as well. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna come back down this way. Then we're gonna end this one. So yeah, even had some looks like that was in Chinese before, but I forget the name of that place. But it's different now. I think it was I forget the name of the bar, but so that's Targa Street right here. Rua de Bragança. And down that way is Galaxy Casino as well. And the stadium is in that direction as well. Okay, so this was part of Bragança. So we basically just went to this other end that I usually don't do. But if you keep going, there's that really cool blue building. The Skyway is right where we started at. I could have went up on top of that, but I haven't really walked in this space and examined these particular stores. And it's also part of Bragança as well. So so there you go. It's our street today. Got a little touch. Yummy mummy beauty. So funny. Yummy mummy beauty. Make mom more yummy. Wow, quite an image there. Yummy mummy beauty. That's pretty creative. Can't say that's not bad marketing though, of course. Anyways, that's Bragança. And we're gonna end our video like right there. Move over here before we end it. Get around the other side of this sign. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la